Daily Dems doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 65. If you think you know all the good trouble made today, you don't know the half of it. I don't know the half of it. I know I'm missing things. I have to start with Cory Booker, his 25-hour record-breaking speech on the Senate floor, and the village that helped make it possible. 36 Democratic senators gave him a break, and his staff put together over 1,000 pages of material. Some people are saying that Cory Booker made them realize that the flag is still there today. But that's just the first of the good trouble today. John Larson gave today's Democratic Daily Download and strongly hinted at the House doing some good trouble, including the Social Security shadow hearing that happened later in the day. And Catherine Clark and former SSA head Martin O'Malley posted this later. The Judiciary Dems also had a shadow hearing, where I understood it as a shadow hearing. There were Republicans there, though. The Senate has created a Social Security war room. And oh yeah, the House shut down for the week. Johnson brought a rule that would have stopped the vote on proxy voting for new parents. All Democrats and 9 Republicans voted against it. This effort was led by Republicans Mike Lawler and Anna Paulina Luna and Democrats Brittany Pedersen and Sarah Jacobs. Johnson threw a hissy fit when he lost the vote and closed the House. You can hear a great explanation of it from Rick Larson. Pretty much every Democrat posted some video about Cory Booker's speech, but Delia Ramirez has the best one. And finally, Adam Schiff announced that he is putting an indefinite hold on Ed Martin's nomination for U.S. Attorney in D.C. Cabinet nominations have different rules than judiciary, which is why we're getting this for the first time. And that's not even everything. I know for sure that there was some kind of shadow hearing in the Senate, and all Democratic ranking members and leaders in the House and Senate were on the steps of the Capitol at some point today. Jeffries was live with it, and now I can't find anything about it. Today was a day of good trouble, not just from Booker, from everyone. And today's emoji is the American flag, because it will be a symbol of democracy and freedom again. We will make sure of that. Our voices are our superpower, but only when we use them.